Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will learn about ML and AI services offered by AWS. So in this particular video I will give you a quick introduction regarding AWS ML and AI services, as well as I will explain some details regarding the AWS Rekognition, which is one of the ML and AI service offered by AWS. Let me tell you regarding this particular series of ML and AI services which I will launch for you. So I will be launching a series of videos where I will be give you details and give you some understanding regarding the ML and AI services of AWS. So this is very first video in this series, and after that I will be keep publishing the video of different services offered by AWS. So let's start on it. So, as an introduction, as I mentioned earlier, in this series we will explore AI and ML services offered by AWS. AWS provides some ready-made intelligence or services for your application and workflows which are related to ML. AWS AI services can be integrated easily with your application to address use cases like personalized recommendations, related products, increasing customer engagement, improving safety, text to voice conversion, voice to text conversion, NLP. NLP is one of the mostly used ML feature, which stands for natural language processing. So in AWS we have tools for all of these things. We have automated processes for all of these things, and we will try to explore these tools and services one by one. Again, we can configure and start working with these services without having much knowledge of ML and AI. So definitely you must be aware with the logics how ML and AI works, what is the use of ML, how ML and AI are interrelated with each other. These all things you must know. But to start using the services, it is not required to have much knowledge regarding around the ML and AI. You can just start configuring the tools, and you will be like easily understanding the flow and the functionalities of tools. Also, the AI services offered by the AWS provides quality and accuracy in terms of result. So here I will try to give you a quick introduction or quick understanding regarding the ML and AI services. First of all, like I mentioned, in this video we will have a walkthrough as well for Amazon Rekognition. So Amazon Rekognition is one of the ML AI services offered by AWS. It is basically used for analyzing images and videos. Like in an image, if we want to track how many objects are there, whether a person is male or female, age of a person, emotions of a person, and different things related to image. So basically we can analyze images and videos using this tool. Then there is service Amazon Transcribe. So Amazon Transcribe is used for like speech to text conversion. Then there is a Amazon Poly service, which is used to like text to speech conversion. Like you can consider this as a opposite of Amazon Transcribe. What Amazon Transcribe do? So Amazon Poly is just opposite to the Amazon Transcribe. Then Amazon Translate. So as the name suggests, it is used for language translation and engage audience in every language. So it also like increase the reach of your content, reach of your website, reach of your app as well. Then Amazon Extract is there. As the name suggests, it used to extract text and the data. So pull meaningful information from a document, required information from a document, and use it for customer engagement, user experience, and like whatever requirement we have related to data. Amazon Kendra is one of another AWS ML and AI service, and this is used for document search service powered by ML. So if we want to search some string, search some content in our group of document or documents, then we can use this Amazon Kendra service. Then comes to Amazon Personalize. So personalize, this service is basically used to personalize online experience. So we can use ML to customize application and website to each individual user. Using this service, what we can do, like if I am going to a website, So whatever my previous history of browsing on that website, I will be able to see content, I will be able to see the product catalog accordingly, and then again the same page can show the different range of product to a different user according to their preference, according to their interest. So this is something like the concept on which Amazon Personalize works. Then comes to Amazon Comprehend. So Amazon Comprehend, to understand this service, you can like think of NLP. So this is a service which used for NLP in AWS. So it basically acquire insights, maximize the value of unstructured text with NLP. Then comes to Amazon Lex. So Lex is basically used to build the chatbots and virtual agents in AWS. Then Amazon Forecast is there. So forecast is, as the name suggests, you can like forecast your future traffic, your future trends on your website. So basically forecast business metric. So it evaluate your previous data, and then suppose there was a event on the same date. On a same date, we can like suppose on 14 Jan there is a event on your website every year. So using Amazon Forecast, we can like gather the data, gather the previous event data, and we can analyze like which product going to be trend this year, and what age group specifically like going to browse our website, going to make orders, make purchase on our website. So these kind of things can be done using Amazon Forecast. Then there is Amazon SageMaker. So SageMaker is basically fully managed service for developers and data scientists to build machine learning models. So this was very quick introduction regarding most of the ML and AI services. I hope a few services are not covered here, but mostly I have tried to cover all the ML and AI services of AWS. Then let's explore Amazon Rekognition, try to understand this service as well. So this service basically used to automate your image and video analysis with machine learning. We can also use this service for face detection and analysis. This service also can be used for text detection as well. Custom label detection can be done using this service. Object detection, definitely we can identify and we can detect the objects as well. Celebrity recognition can be done using this service. Facial analysis and facial search to do the user verification and people count, so that also can be done using this service. Content moderation can be done using this service. So content moderation is one of the very useful feature, so to restrict restrict unwanted or inappropriate content on your website. Amazon. So now let's talk about the use cases of Amazon Rekognition. So there are few use cases I have tried to cover here. Detect inappropriate content on the website, so we can use Amazon Rekognition for this. Face detection analysis, for face detection analysis we can use this service. Then there is we can use Amazon Rekognition for face search and user verification as well. So we can create a database of familiar faces and then we can compare those faces just to check whether the input given by the user is matching with our existing images or not. Then same as the face search, we can build celebrity recognition functionality as well. Now here we will try to understand the logic and how the content moderation works in using Amazon Rekognition. So it detects inappropriate and unwanted content in images and videos. So we can use this to create safe user experience in social media, e-commerce and other platforms. So we can restrict some resist content, some pornography kind of content on our website to produce a safe and quality user experience for our users. We can set a minimum confidence percentage for an item, and when the criteria meets, that item will be flagged. That item will be flagged as inappropriate or unwanted content. So then all the flagged, once an item flagged and there are multiple items, those will be flagged according to our criteria. Then all the flagged item will be reviewed by human, and we can also use Amazon Augmented AI, which stands for A2I. It provides optional human review for our ML workflows. So complete process, suppose there is an image that will go to Amazon Rekognition, and then this evaluate the image confidence percentage on a certain level, and it will flag that particular content if this particular percentage criteria meet. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.